Students, now as you see, today we'll start exercise 6.1 of chapter integer. Now in question number 1 they have asked, write the opposite of the following. Now what opposite you have to write? Let me just write the first question, that is increase in weight. So increase in weight. Fine. So you have to change this statement. Okay. That means you have to find out the opposite meaning of this particular statement, that is increase in weight. What we can write? So we have to change this particular word. Okay, this word, that is increase. What is the opposite of increase? The opposite of increase is decrease. So we'll write decrease in weight. Okay, decrease in weight. Now let's see what is question number B. Question number B, they have written, given 30 kilometer north. 30 kilometer north. Fine. So how to change this statement? What is the opposite of north? What is the opposite of north? Yes, south. So the opposite statement would be 38 kilometer south. So this is what we are writing, the opposite of the following statements. Okay. Now number C. Number C, we have 80 meter east. 80 meter east. Now how to change this statement? What is the opposite of east? Opposite of east is west, isn't it? So we have to change all this word, that is 80 meter west. So this is the opposite meaning of this number C, that is 80 meter east, opposite is 80 meter west. Now let's see what is given in question number D. Loss of rupees 700. Now what is the opposite of loss? Opposite of loss is profit, isn't it? So if we write profit of rupees 700, so it's the opposite version of the question. Loss of rupees 700, so opposite means profit of rupees 700. Okay, so let's see what is there in sum number E. So in number E we have 100 meter above sea level. 100 meter above sea level. This is the question, and the opposite would be what? Above. Above. So we have to change this word. What is the opposite of above? It is below. So we'll write 100 meter below sea level. Fine. So that's it. Now let's move on to question number 2. Now in question number 2 they have asked, represent the following. The following questions are given. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate sign also. That is, either you have to include plus sign or minus sign. Now what is the first question they have given? The first question they have given, an aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. So 2000 meter above the ground, it is written above the ground. So we have to represent the following as what? As integers with appropriate sign. So the statement is saying 2000 meter above the ground. So when the word is written above, fine, so it represents something positive. Okay, above. And what is the opposite of above? Below. So below will represent something negative. Fine. So how to represent this as integer with appropriate sign? So we'll write plus 200 meter. Fine. So this is an integer with appropriate sign. Okay. So let's see what is there in sum number B. In sum number B we have, a submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. Now we need to concentrate on this word, 800 meter below the sea level. Now below, see, yes, some word is written below. Now when below is written, that means what? Something negative. Fine, something down. So 800 meter can be represented as minus 800 So 800 is an integer with the appropriate sign is minus. Why? Because it is representing below the sea level. Fine. The first one was above the ground. Above means something higher. Okay. Now let's see number C. Now a deposit of rupees 200. Lovely. Now see, deposit of rupees 100. Deposit of rupees, sorry, 200. Deposit of rupees 200. Deposit means what? Something you are adding to the account. Something you are adding to the account. Okay, so how to represent this rupees 200? So we'll write plus rupees 200. That's because deposit you are adding something to your account, isn't it? So that is the reason we will represent this 200 with plus sign. Now let's see what is there in sum number D. So we have withdrawal of rupees 700. Now withdrawal. So withdrawal of rupees 700. Fine. Withdrawal of rupees 700. Withdrawal means something you're taking out from your account. Fine. So that means some amount will be subtracted, isn't it? Some amount will be less. So this is something negative that we are doing. Okay. So you will represent this rupees 700 with negative sign. Understood? So this is the solution of sum number 2. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Okay, in my next video I will explain question number 3 and question number 4. God bless you all. Take care and stay blessed.